In this video, I'm going to show you how to update your GoPro Hero 9 or Hero 10 to make sure it's completely up to date with the latest firmware and bug-free. So I'm going to show you how to do this through GoPro's app called Quik, and if you don't already have that app, make sure you go and download it from your App Store or your Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded it, we are going to connect the camera to our app on our phone, and then this is going to alert us if we need to update the camera or it is already fully updated. So literally, it's a really simple tip, this one. Turn your camera on. Once your camera is turned on, we want to go over to our GoPro Quik app, and once we're in there, we want to click on the bottom right hand corner to GoPro, and it will then find your camera if you've not already connected the camera to the app. And once you are fully connected, so once your camera is connected to the phone, it will alert you on the screen whether you need to do a firmware update or not. Now, if you've kept your camera up to date, there will be no updates to do, but simple, click install update, click update, accept the legal disclaimer, the app will connect to your GoPro, and then it will continue to transfer the files from your phone or your app to your GoPro, and everything then will be completely updated. Just make sure that when it's updating that you do not leave the app and you don't turn your GoPro off. You can see there while it's updating, it says loading on the screen. And once the update is done, that should just go back to normal. Obviously this could take up to a couple of minutes depending on how big the updates are or how long you've left your camera for between updating. Because if you get a camera, say, if you bought your GoPro say a year ago and you haven't updated it since, then it's going to update everything and it's going to install all these new updates, and it may take a little bit longer than usual. This is what I do when I'm waiting for GoPros to update. Mobilise my neck because I do too much CrossFit and I have a stiff neck and tight shoulders. 99, 100%. Okay, so then it will go ahead, and once it's transferred the new firmware update, it will install them into your camera. And again, it does remind you on your phone to not go anywhere, don't exit the app, and don't turn off your camera while it's doing so, because you could just ruin things. And if you've got an SD card in your camera as well, it could actually delete the footage that you've got on there, so that's something we want to avoid at all costs. All set. Okay, perfect. Update is complete. We're all set, we click done, and that is how you keep your GoPro up to date with all the latest firmware. Consider giving this video a thumbs up or a like if it did help you out, helps share the video with more people who need to see it. Take care and see you in the next video.